Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're taking a look at some of the internet's newest and greatest tonsil stone removal clips and images. While I show you the top 5 clips of the month, make sure to order a tonsil stone removal kit with the Amazon link below. The link will take you to the only kit I trust with my tonsils. It's the absolute best, and don't settle for cheap knockoffs. Check out the link below. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, check out my favorite tonsil stone removal tools. Don't accept cheap imitations. There's a link below. Now let's take a look at some of my favorite tonsil stone removal pictures. And don't forget to pick up a lighted medical pick from the Amazon link in the description. It's like a tonsil stone magnet, and it includes 3 interchangeable tips, an extra set of batteries, case, and it's hand inspected in the good old USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. Order yours today.